In Act 1, Scene 3 of Romeo and Juliet, we meet Juliet for the first time, along with her nurse and her mother, Lady Capulet. The scene takes place in the Capulet household and primarily focuses on Juliet's impending introduction to Paris at the Capulets' masked ball later in the evening. The nurse dominates the early part of the scene with a long monologue about Juliet's age and childhood. She is very fond of Juliet, and their relationship appears to be closer than that of Juliet and her mother, perhaps because the nurse has raised Juliet since she was an infant. The nurse discloses that Juliet will be 14 in 2 weeks and fondly recalls a joke her husband once made about Juliet's future sexual exploits. Lady Capulet interrupts this nostalgic storytelling to get to the matter at hand, the proposal of marriage from Paris, a relative of the prince. Lady Capulet asks the nurse to leave, only to call her back, realizing she has difficulty communicating with her daughter without the nurse acting as a buffer. Lady Capulet then attempts to bring up the topic of marriage to Juliet, who has not yet thought much about it. Lady Capulet confesses that she gave birth to Juliet when she was roughly Juliet's current age and encourages her to start looking seriously at husbands. She expresses that Paris is interested in marrying Juliet and extols his virtues, describing him as a book of love and encouraging Juliet to read that book at the upcoming feast, giving her consent towards the idea of marrying Paris. Through the conversation, we learn that Paris is a respectful, eligible bachelor who is well admired in Verona. Despite Juliet's initial disinterest in marriage, she agrees to take a look at Paris during the feast to see if she might find him agreeable in the way her mother suggests. Her agreement is more of obedience and respect towards her mother, rather than any particular desire or interest of her own. Transitions in this scene thus go from carefree and humorous remembrances to a much more serious matter, Juliet's proposed marriage to Paris. The scene serves as a significant premise to the narrative development ahead, laying out all the elements of the forbidden love premise in Romeo and Juliet's story.